Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send Toncoin from your Telegram wallet to another wallet. It's very easy. It's just like any other Telegram to wallet video. So all you need to do is get the wallet, the Ton wallet address of that specific wallet that you're going to use. So for this video, we are going to use Tonkeeper. So let's go to Tonkeeper. Actually, no, let's just use Bybit, right? So go to Bybit. And what you want to do is go to Assets. And in Assets, what you want to do is tap on Deposit and tap Deposit Crypto. And here, you want to use Ton, like so, and use this address. So, okay. And just use the wallet address and tag that we see. So, and then go to Telegram, go send, turn a wallet on, paste. There you go, continue. 0.03. Make it, yeah, 0.03. Have to go. Of course, we need a comment tag or memo. So let's go back to Bybit. Let's just use copy the tag. Go back to Telegram, paste the tag here, confirm and send, and there you have it, Ton sent. And as you can see, we already received our Ton. It's on USD. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.